Almost done.
No. No.
Underage, potentially trafficked girls.
Okay, well, listen, I appreciate all over the world.
You're not a cat. You're not a cat. You be nice in the morning to your family, okay? No, that is not a nice face.
Sure. Yeah.
What? What? What?
Oh, hi. Outside? For a family of four.
No. Sunny Molly!
Are you smiling, dude? Oh my god.
Who's a good boy? Did you hear about the neighbor? She said her dog's pregnant. She's gonna have 9 puppies. You know anything about that, buddy? Boy, you okay?
¿A qué te sabe la pata, Luna?
Get it, get it, get it, get it. Yep. There we go. There we go.
I stole it. I'm so sorry, but I guess you need a dog. Happy birthday.
No. Am I walking you or you walking me? Oh, I'm walking you, okay.
And then what happened?
You say Merry Christmas? Say thank you.
That's not what that is at all. You know what that is? That's called a... He's a good boy, Stan. Good boy.
You okay?
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Going for a walk.
Ash, go to the dog park.
You go to the vet. Okay. All right.
What I'm saying is don't give me attitude.
Can I get a... Oh, yeah!
Because he didn't want to be a hot dog.
Clarence. Clarence.
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yeah.
What are you doing, bud?
Get out.
In the bedroom.
Vinny, I can see you. I can still see. Vinny.
Please.
Oh no. Oh no. Did he take it?
Who did this?
Are you ready to eat? You just woke up. You just woke up.
Oh, Jesus. Look at the zoomies.
You want to go for a ride? Or how about let's go take a bath? Roof!
Oh, it's a chicken. Okay.
Open him. Leo! Leo! No!
Better. By the time I get back, I can always leave. And
Who's a good girl?
Look at me.
Where's the dry? You're all wet, bud. Look it.
Hello. It's just a baby cow we're taking home with us. Можно.
Oh no. Oh no.
Of tests. When you go back to the manufacturer and say, why don't you disturb